How to crop an image into circle. The crop tool is the most helpful in any picture editing program for cropping out extraneous areas of an image. I will show you how you can crop an image into a circle with GIMP software. GIMP is a free photo editing program that is accessible on Windows, macOS, and Linux. We'll show you how to crop a photo in GIMP into a circle in this video. The similar technique can be applied to other shapes as well, including ovals, alphabets. Let's get going. First of all, let's install this software. If you already have it, you can skip this part using the timestamp from the description of the video. Open your browser. Enter into the site for gimp.org. Click on Download. Save the file and download it. After the file is saved, click it. The installer will start. Click Install for all users. Click Yes. Click OK. Click Install and wait for the install to finish. Click Finish. Now let's launch GIMP and open the image you wish to crop in it. We'll use the ellipse selection tool to crop an image into a circle because GIMP doesn't come with a built-in feature for doing so. Let's open the file that we want to crop. Click on File, click Open, go where the file is saved and click Open. To crop the image, select the oval-shaped ellipse tool from the toolbar. With your mouse, draw a circle over the region of the image you want to focus on. The circle won't always have the same shape by default. Next, make a circle. Click and drag the mouse to reposition the selected region. Use the four corners of the selection to change the size of the selection. After using the ellipse tool to choose the appropriate circular region, right-click on the selection and select Invert from the menu that appears. Press the Delete key from the keyboard to delete the other parts of the picture that you do not wish to be seen. You must include an alpha channel in your image for it to have a transparent background. For that, select Add Alpha Channel from the context menu when you right-click on your picture layer in the Layers tab of the sidebar. Right-click the primary image once more and choose Edit and then click Clear. Additionally, you can use the Delete key. By doing that, the background will be eliminated, leaving you alone with the circular image. The image will have an additional background if you save it at this stage. Use the Auto Crop feature to make your image the same size as the circle. Go to Image Crop to Content. This step is really important. To maintain transparency, you must save your image in the PNG format. Your image's background color will be added when you save it in JPG or another format. You can overlay any image with an image that has a transparent background. It will appear to be a part of the picture. Go to File and then click Export as to save in PNG format. Keep the PNG extension on the file name. This is how you crop an image into circle. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.